All right, hold on. Let me refresh.
Refresh, 51.
We're at 50 followers, which is like it says that's what we need, but it only counts it when I'm at 51. So we're not there yet, but we're almost there.
Okay.
We're getting there.
We're almost there. We need literally one more, one more, and we win.
And we win.
What do we win, guys?
Thank you.
Oh! I think I got one. I just heard it.
You heard it?
Chenoel? Who's Chenoel?
Oh, that's my girlfriend.
Is it?
Oh, it's
Ah! Fellas, we did it. We made affiliate. Dude, Roy, she was the last one we needed.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Congratulations.
We did it.
This is what you get. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
I got affiliate. We did it, everyone.
Happy birthday, you got extra help.
I get some hogs in chat for affiliate.